Hey guys, it's Gary from Gary Ford Design Living, and as always I'm over on another exciting project where we're working on a really big kitchen project for a client over in Edgware. Really excited to get this one going as always. Now we're in the midst of things at the moment, so we have been started with the plasters have been in, the tilers are in at the minute. We've just literally had the kitchen delivered just at this moment in time, so we missed that, but like I say, it's all been fully loaded, but the boys are in there now tiling the floors, getting it ready, because what we've had to do, we've come through from the hallway, from the doorway, through the porch, fully tiled way through, all the way into the kitchen area with really open plans. We've removed walls, we've adjusted ceilings, we've taken everything down to make sure we get the real good feeling of space within this kitchen. It's been a long journey in terms of getting the colours right, getting the pieces right, so now it's all about piecing it together and getting it all together for the client when it comes to the kitchen. So as always, I'm going to spin the camera around. I'm going to give you the walkthrough, just go through, so we may see the guys tiling the floor now whilst we're getting that all prepped and ready for the kitchen. Like I said, that's just been delivered, but I'll spin the camera around, I'll give you the walkthrough, and I'll show you where the walls have come down, what we've done with the ceiling, and what we're moving forward with, and where the kitchen layout's going to come through, and then like I say, then I'll keep you updated on the journey as it continues. So here we go, let me spin this camera around and show you into the kitchen area. So as you can see, we're walking through in this area. So what we do is we always fully tile the floorways. So we'll protect that with the Corex so we're not damaging any floor as we're continuing to work in. But as you can see, the kitchen's been delivered. The absolutely massive kitchen area. I've got to make sure I don't stand on the wrong tiles with the boys tiling, otherwise they'll be throwing tools at me or muck, whatever. But yeah, Gaz's on the floor down there, getting everything ready. So you can see the space here where the kitchen is down here. We've got the conservatory area, so it's nice open space for the conservatory, so letting the light through. And we come around here, the music's playing, we'll have a little boogie and a dance to that later. But yeah, it's coming through here, so you can see, and just through that door is going to be the cloakroom, so we will be continuing the tile through there into the cloakroom area. But like I say, you can see that we've got the stairwell there. So let me just come around again. So what happened is, where we got this bit here, there's a big tall wall here and a half wall here, another wall coming through here, through this area, which we've completely removed out and brought this round. So like I said, we completely opened the space. Obviously the beam's got to keep staying here because of the extension and such, we do that. But we've lowered the ceiling here because we're going to have a recessed ceiling extractor coming through here. Got the air con system just above that. So what we're going to have, you've got the plan on the wall, just jump over this, and you see the plan that the boys are working to. You can see exactly what's going on and what shape the kitchen's going to take once we get going. But what we've got going on, stepping over, so the kitchen's going to obviously start running all the way down here with the sink area, pretty much where that nice temporary sink's done there. The fridge and freezer will be around here. Then we've got the island coming and wrapping around this pillar. So we come all the way round, got the breakfast bar going around it, and we come up here, and then we'll have the two ovens which are going to go around here, and then once again wrap around here. And just on the left hand side here, what we've got is a dressing area that's going to go all down this right hand side. So yeah, so you can see, hard at work. So yeah, so that's what's going on with the kitchen, as you can see. So like I say, still lots of preparation to be done. Like I say, we'd love to get the floors down properly, and that's why we always get the best tilers in to make sure that happens. But yeah, so like I say, get the floor all prepped, because what's the best thing about doing a tiled floor when you're doing a kitchen is you go under the units. We don't leave any spaces underneath where some people fit the kitchens and then tile up to the kitchen, so you've always got that dirty bit of concrete or brickwork underneath kitchens. We don't do none of that. We get the floor nice and fresh and clean, so the kitchen sits on top of a beautiful freshly tiled kitchen floor. So it's just a much easier, simpler and cleaner process when it comes to fitting a kitchen. But as I'd like to say, I'll keep you updated with the journey as it continues on. I'll be back next week, so the floor will be done over the next few days anyway, so we can start fitting the kitchen. And like I said, I'll give you the journey as we continue through with all of this process. So really excited about this coming together, and really excited about getting this kitchen completely unravelled and unwrapped. And I'm sure the client is just as excited as me to see this come together and come to fruition. So I'll keep you updated over the next couple of weeks as we keep pushing forward with this. And obviously got a bathroom project which I'm going to be talking to you and showing you next week too, because once we finish that, I'd love to show you the end results on that one too. So as always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it explained exactly what's going on and how we're doing things. And remember, it's not just about buying a new bathroom or kitchen, it's about making life at home just that little bit better. Take care. See you soon.